DFDV is showing some weakness within a longer term bearish bullish trend rather, down 21.49% in the regular session of today, the 19th of May 2025. Let's see now. On there, as a matter of fact, in this trading session, it actually printed an intraday high of 164.89 and it got rejected. Now, well, the good thing it's now back into its price channel. Yeah, let's see now. This the underlying trend is a bullish one. That's why I said it's showing some weakness within a longer term bullish trend. So, yeah, just slightly above this upper projection of 154.82. That was where that rejection occurred. So, well, this may be a support 107.89, but that will be really drastic. Let's see now. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have, yeah, we just have 154.5 to 136.70, the sort of heights it's coming down from. Let's see now. Um, let's see what are the odds of it retesting at least 136.20. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that probability is not very strong. Look at these moving averages. That will help you. Those are needed to determine the probabilities. We can see that the first moving average is the 10-day moving average. All of them, as a matter of fact, none of them has a value that is up to 136.59. They're all less than 136.59. So it means that the probability of it retesting that, not very good. Not very good. Most certainly less than 50%. And let's try again for the second, the upper, yeah, the, we have two legs here. This is the declining leg and then the rising leg. So here we can see now the moving average equally as well. The moving averages are all less than 136.59. So the probability of it retesting that doesn't look very good. Though by some other indications, okay, yeah, not very good. But the probability of it remaining above those moving averages may be quite decent. We can just quickly have a look and see what we can just use. We can use these PPMs, price pressure momentum indicators. They tell us the angle of attack of the various moving averages. So this is telling us the angle of attack of the 10-day moving average. Let's see now. Let's see what it's saying down here. So it's 5.96. So the probability of it staying above the 10-day moving average is quite high. However, there's no guarantee that it will remain there. So even though it has declined by 21.81%, the stock is still the 10-day moving average is still in a trend mode, and that would equally be the case with all the other moving averages. They're still in trend mode. Yeah. So we can equally have a look at its we can have a look at its market grid to see where it is trading at right now. What the situation of things are. It has given this, the volatility has been expanding. Took it all the way towards the rejection we saw there, 164.89. So we are looking at a contraction. So we just want to see where the price is right now relative to its market grid. So we have here, this was the stock was actually trading at what, at 6.6 as of early April. Okay, well, it's had a huge pump. So let's have a look at the market grid and see. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, it has contracted. You can see now the market grid. This is the upper line of that market grid. Let's see now. The upper line is at 186.07. Yeah, so it has pulled back, but it is still. Let's see. Let's get a price 12275. 12275. Okay, yeah. It's let's see now. Okay, yeah. So it's looking good now. Yeah, it's this technically this looks like a buying opportunity, but Do not bank on that. That's not a recommendation to buy the stock. That's absolutely not a recommendation at all. Okay, that's not a recommendation. Technically, a window of opportunity has opened up, but you can't bank on that at all. So we can just quickly dash to the 4 hour chart and see whether that opportunity is equally there as well. On the 4 hour chart, what do we have? No, it's not. Is that opportunity is not there on the 4 hour chart? It's just gradually improving. Not as good as it is on the daily chart. On the daily chart, the stock is trading way below this SXT value. Yeah, that's so. But at the same time as well, the fact that it is below its the lower line of its market grid, the lowest line on here on the daily chart does not mean only it can only the other implication of that is that it may also continue to decline. That's the implication of that. It may also continue to decline. It's currently below this market. It's right outside of its the market grid. So yeah, it means that it may also continue to decline. So on the here on Think and Swim, it's just within the price channel, comfortably within it. Yeah, so we could also try and have a look at its the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average. So that would also give us an idea of what the algos are projecting based on how things, based on the data available. Let's have a look and extrapolate its 3-day moving average. So we will just point this to 3, make it 3. So yeah, it's yeah, you can see now on the extrapolation is that we're going to see lower prices. Nothing bullish at all. Nothing bullish at all. Continued contraction is what is extrapolated all the way towards the 1st of June. Yeah, so that's what I actually meant. Maybe the fact that it's trading right outside of its price channel may not always mean, even though I said it looks like a buying opportunity, but at the same time as well, it could also mean that lower prices could print. Let's have a look at its 4 hour chart and see what's available there. On the 4 hour chart, we have extrapolation to the downside as well. Nothing strong. Yeah, same as well. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what the projections are saying. We have 13124, 14929, 16043. Yeah. So that's what's going on. We haven't seen any news behind this spike. The news was not as fresh as today. It's only about 3 days ago. It says DeFi Development shares rise in partnership with Solana meme coin. Let's see. Yeah, shares rose after the company said it was collaborating with a meme coin to operate a node to validate blockchain transactions. The stock rose 16% to 105 on Friday. Okay, and then spiked again, spiked further today. So it's okay, 105. Let's see. Okay, this was in yeah, on Friday. Yeah, let's see now. Under okay, but yeah, yeah, okay. It prints the yeah, we know very well. Yes, it's printed in this intraday high today as a 164.9. So it's continued to show strength, further strength in today's session, but has now declined, just giving up some of those gains. So it looks like a buying opportunity is there, but at the same time, the algos are saying that that no, lower prices might continue to print. So we'll just see how it goes. We'll just see how it goes. Let's see what the float is. Let's see. I think it has a very tiny float. We should have known that. Yeah, we should have known that. Yeah, very tiny float. You can see that 417,000 shares. Yeah. Okay, so volatility is expected. So just be very careful. Just be careful. Okay, so let's see how things goes. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.